Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your overwhelming support to my channel and thank you for all our subscribers for keeping this channel active. In today's video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis on gold, US dollar currency pairs. We are going to analyze on the previous week price actions based on which we will forecast the weekly price action for next week. Since this is a weekly analysis video, I am going to start with a clean slate. For market analysis, I would recommend using a line chart. Then you can notice the price action more clearly. So today also we are going to be using line chart for price action analysis. Let us start the analysis. So I am in weekly time frame now. In weekly time frame, when we notice it, this is where the uptrend started and we have noticed a support over here. So this baseline has not changed in weekly time frame also, and overall when we notice it, trend is on the downside. We can see a dynamic resistance running all the way from top to down and it's still not yet bridged. So inside this triangle pattern, the overall price action is happening, and unless it breaks this triangle pattern, the uptrend will not start, or unless it breaks this support line over here, the downtrend will not start. This is where the uptrend started. So this will be the lower point for trend reversal identification. As long as this support line is holding strong, the downtrend will not start. The price action is happening within this area over here. So within this triangle pattern also, we can draw trend lines. So when we see it from here, there is a trend line on the downside and the price has taken support over here and broke this resistance, then uptrend started. Again, previous trend line was acting as a resistance, so it took resistance over here, retraced and sort of took support on the previous support line. When we see the correct price action, this is going to be the top point, and you can notice that it is again trending down. The trend line is actually trending down, and when we see the support line, this level is going to be acting as a support line for the current price action. Earlier also the price action was following a support line, then took support over here, then uptrend started. Presently also it is taking support over here and took the uptrend. This is another support line over here. When we look at the previous price action, how this currency pair moves, when we draw a trend line, you can see that it is taking support on the trend line, then bounce back happens. Next time when retraces, it breaks this support line, then it comes down and takes support over here. Again when we notice it, it is taken support over here, it goes up. Again when it retraces back, it breaks and comes down. Same method when we apply on the present price action, approximately when we notice it, it took support over this support line, uptrend went, then it broke this support line, then downtrend started. Again it went up to the resistance, now retracement happened. Again if I draw a trend line, it has taken support over here, again uptrend started, took resistance over here, again broke it, now took support on the red color line over here. Now trend reversal is happening, and when I draw one more trend line, connect the support, you can notice that it went up and this resistance line is acting as a resistance now. Now the trend reversal is happening and we can expect it to come down, take support on this support line and reverse back, or break the support line and trend down and take support on the bottommost support line, because presently the price action is on the downtrend when we see it from the weekly time frame. And another information I wanted to share with you, when we notice every time when it takes trend reversal, there is double top pattern happening. Here also double top, here also double top, here also double top is happening. Again here also double top is happening. Again when we notice the present price action, looks like the again double top is forming over here. We can expect market to retest on the resistance over here, again downtrend to start and test this support line over here. If this support line doesn't hold, we can expect it to test this support line over here. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So I'm in a daily time frame now. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, we can clearly notice that this support line has been taken. You can see that it has breached this support line, and as I had explained in the weekly time frame, it is forming a double top pattern also here. Double top pattern in this currency pair means that trend reversal. So we can expect a trend reversal to happen, and from here to test this support line over here. If this support line doesn't hold, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair and test the support line from the weekly time frame. So this is what my expectation is. So currently in daily time frame, when we notice it, it is on a downtrend. Overall, when we see it from weekly time frame, it is on a uptrend. As long as this support is holding, we can expect the uptrend to start at any time. Presently, it is retracing only. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So when we analyze the currency pair from the hourly time frame, I had previously highlighted that this area will be acting as a strong support. This area of support is still holding, but it has broken this dynamic support from the daily time frame. So trend reversal is happening. It has formed a very nice double top pattern also in daily time frame, and we can expect the market to fall little further and test this support line over here. If it bridges this support line, we can expect it to fall further. Presently, it is on a downtrend in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. Since we know that the downtrend has started, let us mark the ranges in the downside. So this is going to be acting as a support here, bottommost support, and next support is going to be over here. And presently it has taken support at this point and trend reversal has happened. I am expecting it to test this black color line over here and take a trend reversal. If it still moves further, we can see it to test this level over here, and on the upside again, this is going to be the level on the upside. If it still moves further on the top, this is going to be the next level on the top. So these are all going to be the ranges for Monday. So presently the upside movement is restricted. Let us wait and see how price action goes on Monday. I request you to do your own price action analysis when you are entering the market, and based on which you can decide your entry and exit values.